Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're an employer in Oklahoma, you have withholding tax obligations, and the Oklahoma Tax Commission, or OTC, can examine your compliance. A withholding examination can be stressful, especially if you're not sure whether you've been handling everything correct. So let's break down what's involved. First, the basic. As an Oklahoma employer, you're required to withhold state income tax from your employees' wages and remit it to the OTC on a regular schedule. The amount you withhold is based on each employee's W-4 and the Oklahoma withholding table. You're also required to file withholding tax returns and provide W-2s to your employees in the OTC by the required deadlines. So what does the OTC look in a withholding examination? Well, they're checking for several things. Did you withhold the correct amount from each employee? Did you remit the withholdings to the OTC on time and in the right amounts? Did you file all required returns? Did you issue accurate W-2s? Do your records reconcile, meaning does the total amount withheld from all employees match the total amount remitted to the OTC? So where do employers get in trouble? Well, first of all, under-withholding is a big one I see. If you don't withhold enough from your employees, you're still on the hook for the difference. The obligation to remit the correct amount falls on the employer, regardless of what was actually withheld from the employee's paycheck. Another one is late remittances. If you withheld the right amount but didn't send it to the OTC on time, penalties and interest do apply. The OTC expects timely deposits, and late payments do draw scrutiny. Another one is filing failures. Not filing your withholding returns or filing them late is one of the most common triggers for it. The OTC system flags missing returns automatically. Another one is misclassification of worker. If you're treating employees as independent contractors to avoid withholding obligations, the OTC can reclassify those workers and assess you for the withholding tax you should have collected. This is an area where the OTC coordinates with the IRS and the Oklahoma Employment Security Commission. So a finding by one agency can trigger problems with the other. So what should you do if you receive an examination note? Gather your payroll records, withholding tax returns, W-2s, bank statements showing remittances, and any independent contract agreements. Review everything for accuracy before responding. And if you have concerns about potential issues, particularly around worker classification, talk to a professional before engaging with the OTC. As always, make sure you're working with a tax professional who understands your specific situation. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.